So welcome back to the channel. We are almost done with the ditch light. So after about 2 weeks of being busy, we are almost done. So this is the finished product. So this is the left side and this is the right side. So they're just a flip version of each other. And so we welded it and then grind it to be cleaner, and we notched it so that it will not hit the windshield. And all we have to do now is to spray it with paint. I chose truck bed liner. Well, we started this as from this. So there, I was looking for cartons in the store, but they don't have it. And then they gave me this. It's a styrofoam of some sort, which actually was easier to use because they are more stiff and they're easier to cut. So this was our initial shape. And then I transferred it to metal. And then after transferring it to metal, I welded it and then grind it. And here it is. Initially, I was planning something, intricate like this, so that I can put back the plastic. But then I said, might as well use a wider metal. This is a 5 cm metal, and I made it a thicker one. It's a 6 millimeter steel, so it's going to be very sturdy. So anyways, let's paint it and then let's mount it and let's see how it looks. Hindi. Yung bracket, itataas ako. So that's the clearance. Close. So there's our ditch lights. So for those who like DIYs, how can I share this? I'll probably sketch this on an A4 band paper and then maybe grab it from the video. I don't know, give me ideas on how to share this. It's very easy. The only thing you need to have is a grinder, a welding machine, And that's it. This is a 5 cm by 6 millimeter steel. And for those who are not into DIYs and would like to get one, I'll probably make a few. And I will probably provide an Allen head screw. An Allen head bolt, I mean, because this is very fiddly when you're just using the bolt. So that's it. Next video will be about wiring this. I've got a harness, a universal harness, which I got from, I don't know where I got it. Amazon, I think. Which was, you know, almost a price of a relay if you buy it here. Anything electrical in this country is expensive, so I usually just buy them online so I can get it cheaper. So that's it. Let me know any comments, any suggestions. So this is my ditch lights. I do have let's say a stage 2 on this one. So there's gonna be a light mounted here. So this one will be pointing to the ditch, and this is a little bit front and to the left. So that's it. I'll be wiring it tomorrow. That's how short my free time is in a day. So I'll wire it tomorrow, and then most probably test it in the evening. So 2 more videos to come about this one. Let's make it 3, because for the other sets of lights. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. This is how it looks from the inside. This is my POV. The left side, you cannot see it. I also made some ditch light covers. Well, I didn't make them. I asked Al Jassim in Musafa to make me one of these. So let me know. I'm gonna probably print a logo on it, or maybe a smiley face. Why yellow? Old school. Well, that's it.